Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the center drawer slide rail in this LG refrigerator, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Lift the front of the shelf assemblies up and unhook them from their slots and pull them out. Pull out the crisper drawers. Push up underneath the glass shelf and pull the shelf out. Next, pull out the crisper drawer assembly. Set the shelf upside down and remove the 2 Phillips screws on the bottom of the side rail and the 2 screws on the bottom of the center rail. Now remove the 2 screws located on the side of the center rail and take out the center drawer slide. Remove the new center drawer slide rail from the packaging. Insert the new drawer slide rail into the track and slip the slide rail pegs into their sockets. Thread and tighten the 2 screws on the bottom of the side rail and the 2 screws on the bottom of the center rail. Screw in the 2 screws on the side of the center rail. Insert the assembly back into the fridge cavity. Insert the glass shelf horizontally and slide the crisper drawers back into place. Hook the shelf assemblies into their slots and gently set them. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.